Avocados are considered to be the perfect fruit because they're full of nutrients that are essential to our body. Avocados are rich in good fats that help you both feel full and maintain a healthy weight. Half of an avocado can fill you up, making it a great snack option for people who want to lose weight and eat healthier. Just half of an avocado contains 30% of your daily fiber recommendation. This fiber is essential for our digestive system's health and is great at reducing cholesterol and blood sugar levels. Avocados are also rich in potassium, a mineral that is very important for your health. Inadequate potassium consumption increases the risk of death by 20%. It also reduces the risk of strokes, lowers blood pressure, protects against bone and muscle loss, and prevents the formation of kidney stones. Furthermore, it's rich in magnesium, a mineral found in our bones and muscles, and is responsible for over 600 of our body's chemical reactions. And, apart from everything we've already said, it's also delicious and is great in several different dishes and salads. However, have you ever noticed that avocado pulp gets brown if you leave it out? This happens because the avocado contains an enzyme that oxidizes when it's exposed to air. Here are a few tips that will help preserve the avocado's natural color for longer. If you're only going to use half, use the half without the pit. Keep the other half in a Tupperware container in the refrigerator. You can keep it from turning brown by smearing a thin layer of olive oil on it. Lemon juice also inhibits oxidation and goes great with avocado. Pour a little lemon juice on it and it will maintain its natural green color and absorb the taste of the lemon. You can then use avocado to make some great recipes like guacamole and salads. Another way to keep your avocado fresh is by storing it in a container with a handful of purple onion slices. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.